ES porcelain lamp holders are widely used in the lighting industry, especially in applications where heat is an issue. By watching this video, you will know everything you need to know to select from and use this lamp holder family straight away. Hello, I'm Laurie Smith, and in this video I would like to explain each of these lamp holder variations to you. Let's get started. So here we have our family of Edison screw porcelain lamp holders. These all take the E27 bulb, found inside a lot of industrial fittings. The main purpose is that they are porcelain, they are extremely high temperature rated. They're 2 core because the porcelain acts as an insulator. Most of these lamp holders don't have an earthing facility. As I said, this is the most common lamp holder, the basic porcelain ES lamp holder. It's got the mounting points. We've got the lamp holder with an L bracket, often used inside fittings, so you use the fixings at the back and that holds the lamp holder in line. The opposite one to that is the one with the bracket facing the other way. This one actually does have an earth terminal there, as this one here. The other useful one is the 10mm lamp holder. Again, this has a separate earth terminal, but it mounts onto an M10x1 fine electrical thread. And then finally, the lamp holder with the spring clips. These just pin into a plate fixing and grip. As to wiring it up, we'll take our basic one. I've prepared a 2-core flex. As usual, we undo both terminal screws. They're actually labelled live and neutral. So we'll start with the neutral one. Take the blue flex, push it in so there's no copper showing, and tighten down. The neutral, as I said before, always goes to the outside terminal, and then the live to the central pin. Ensure there's no copper showing and tighten down gently, and there we are, ready to go. The only other lamp holder I'd like to point out is that we also do one in SES. This is quite rare compared with the others, but where a space is an issue, the SES, as you can see, is physically quite a bit smaller, and wiring up is exactly the same way, the two, the live and the neutral. If you've decided one of these fittings is right for you, you can purchase it here or from one of our distributors. If not, you can view our other similar lamp holders. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.